Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking zero-turn mowers, and in the event that yours is pulling left or right, we're going to go outside and show you a common cause. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, outside at the Gravely zero-turn lawnmower. This is a Pro Turn ZX60. This is my wife's, and she absolutely loves it. However, when she was mowing just a little bit ago, she mentioned it was pulling to the left. And after I took a quick look at it, here's what I found. This long bolt is disconnected from the below portion, and the deck itself has a whole bunch of bolts and nuts screwed into it. However, these very long bolts on these little levers and arms here, 2 on each side, help assist in pulling up the deck when the foot pedal is pushed. And you do that for a couple different reasons. Number one, you can actually do that to put it in transport mode, or you can push that pedal forward, raise the deck, and allow you to change the setting to whatever inch you want to cut the grass. And as you can see on this side, both of the bolts and lower nuts are secured. And coming back to the opposite side, again, a long bolt and a nut, which surprisingly, I cannot believe this, I found this just a little bit ago in the grass. We got very lucky. What we were going to do is screw this on, and the bolt head is a 3/4 inch, and I'll screw this all the way on, and then I will feed this bottom portion of the bolt into this part here, and do your absolute best not to cross thread this. That would not be good. Next, I'll go ahead and chip this up. Again, align it properly. Do not cross thread it. It's best to use both hands. And go ahead and screw that bolt in. And as I screw that bolt in, you will notice the nut will go flush with this bottom portion here. And I want to properly align this, so I'm going to measure the gap between the top bar here and the lower nut, and make sure I have it exactly the same measurement on both sides. And I've got a measurement of 3/4 inch. Back to the opposite side, I'm going to spin that nut up a bit and continue screwing in this 3/4 inch bolt. From here, I'm just fine tuning it with the ratchet and socket, and I'm looking for that 3/4 inch gap between the lower nut and the top head. Making progress, DIYers. I've got the 3/4 inch gap between the lower nut and that upper bar or shaft. From here, I'll go grab the wife, and hopefully she'll give me a thumbs up from a distance as she is mowing the yard. I got good news, DIYers. That was it. No more pulling to the left, she mentioned, as she was mowing, and the yard is completely mowed. And that just took maybe 3 to 5 minutes to secure that bolt and nut back in place. Coming to the front yard, a calm evening, and there is the DIY Raptor hanging out. And that Gravely lawnmower never lets us down. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, we've got a Gravely video playlist scrolling above, and that takes you to a playlist consisting of several awesome Gravely lawnmower videos. Definitely check it out.